Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Royal by Design. For all of my followers, yes, my followers, all 9 of y'all, I have missed you guys terribly, and I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. Just to give you guys a little update on what's been going on with me, I actually had an injury at work, okay, because I do work. I had an injury at work, and that injury at work was like the catalyst to other things. And what I mean by that is I got hurt at work, got injured at work, and then all of a sudden I got sick, sore throat. I was not feeling my best, okay, at all. And in doing so, I had to just take the time off to just take care of myself, to get myself back in good health. I was flooding myself with vitamins and so forth and so on. That's where I have been. And so I'm back. I'm not 100%, but I will say this, I think I'm about 98%. So I'm back and I'm better. And so I'll start back giving you guys content. So again, thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for supporting me. I truly do appreciate it. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, guys, while I'm painting, I have workers in the kitchen installing my pantry doors. All right, guys, at the same time, I hear a knock at the door. It is the guys here to deliver the new sectional that's going to be in the family room. What you see here is a sectional that I have had for 13 years. Yes, 13 years. It has definitely seen better days. So here you see me unboxing the new velvet sectional. I'm super, super excited about this new sectional. All right, here I'm just trying to position the new rug that's going to go with the sectional. I purchased this rug a few weeks ago, so I was just waiting on the couch to come to put the rug down. So here's just a closer look at it. All right, guys, here I am prepping before I paint. It is essential before you paint to put down some plastic, some paper, some cardboard, whatever it is that you have laying around the house to protect your floors. In addition to that, get you some tape and get you some caulk. So what you see me doing here is I'm caulking the doors prior to me painting. This is going to save me a lot of time on the back end. All right, guys, I picked up some all-in-one primer and paint in white, along with some rollers for smooth surfaces from my local hardware store. All right, guys, I decided to go ahead on and start installing the baseboards. I picked up baseboards that are flat, one that does not require you to do a 45-degree angle cut. This is just easier for me, and it's just easier when I'm cleaning to wipe them up. So here I'm using a nail gun to secure the baseboards to the wall. All right, beautiful people, I am going to finish this project. I want to thank you all for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends and family. It is greatly appreciated. Until next time, be safe. Make sure you take care of your mental health, i.e. pray, affirmations, reading, exercising, journaling, whatever you need to do. Make sure you take care of your mental health. Until next time, God bless you.